My name is Wendy Barnett and I'm Head of Professional and Clinical Services for Pet Blood Bank. Coming along to a donation session is a great fun experience for your dog. Members of our team will greet you. A vet will give a full clinical examination and one of our animal care auxiliaries will run some blood tests to ensure that your dog's not anemic or dehydrated before they go ahead with the donation process. Now, as long as your dog passes the full physical examination, that will be done by a vet, and they will be able to answer any questions that you have about the donation process. You will then move through to the donation room, and our qualified veterinary nurse, assisted by 2 more animal care auxiliaries, will lift your dog onto a table where they will lie on their side and be given lots of fuss, treats and reassurance. Now, we always ask owners to be in the room when their dogs are donating, as long as owners don't have a needle phobia. We don't have any of our doggy donors with needle phobias, it tends to be their owners. So there is always a chair available if owners are feeling a little bit queasy at the sight of a needle. We do remove a small amount of hair over the jugular vein, which is the vein on the neck, and clean that area before inserting the needle to take the blood. Now, the blood collection itself takes about 5 to 7 minutes, and your dogs will be reassured throughout that process to make sure that they are enjoying the experience. Most dogs completely relax on the table, very much enjoy what's happening to them, and some of them even fall asleep, especially after they've been and donated a few times. They know what's going to happen and nod off as we're actually collecting the blood. We apply a small dressing afterwards, just because they can't pop their paw on the hole like we can place our finger if we've donated blood. So a light dressing is applied, and that stays on for half an hour to an hour at the absolute most. Very easy to remove. And then your dog is lifted down very gently and will go through to our refreshments area, where he or she will be offered food, water, treats, get to pick a toy out of our toy box and receive any goodies that we have available for the donors on the day. So a very enjoyable experience. First time donors, you should expect to be with us for about 45 minutes. And once you've been to us the first time, you can expect any attendance to be about half an hour in total. If you would like to get involved, your dog needs to fit our donor criteria to make sure that the donation process is safe for your dog. So dogs must be aged 1 to 8 years of age, over 25 kilos, which is 55 pounds body weight, be fit and well, fully vaccinated. We don't allow dogs that have travelled outside of the UK to donate, and also we need your dog to be uniquely identified, so we will implant a microchip if they do not have a microchip already. No medication or previous medical history, so if your dog does have a heart murmur or has been diagnosed with any liver, kidney problems, maybe seizures, epilepsy, anything like that, I'm afraid it's best if they do not become a donor for us. With regards to medication, we don't allow our donors to be taking any medication apart from preventative health care. So flea worming treatments are absolutely fine, and we do request that donors are receiving preventative health care to make sure that they're fit and healthy. We're always looking for more donors to join Pet Blood Bank. Have a look at our website, www.petbloodbankuk.org. On our website, we have a venue finder, so you'll be able to look and see if there's a venue within your area that your dog may be able to attend. Now, if there isn't a nearby venue for you, please go ahead and register your donor if he or she fits our criteria, because what will happen is we'll build a database for that particular area, and when we have enough dogs within the location, we will then come along and notify you that we'll be holding a collection session for you. We allow the dogs to donate 4 times a year. Every 3 months, we return to the same venue to make it easier for that owner to bring their dog along. We also struggle at certain times of year, especially the summer holidays and the festive time of year. We obviously understand that owners are very busy and sometimes not able to bring their dog along. So just bear in mind those time of year we can have a shortage of blood, and if you're able to assist even just a couple of times a year, you definitely will be helping to save another dog's life and obviously a lot more than just one, with us being able to process and divide that blood down. It will help up to 4 other dogs.